مشاهدينا الكرام، أهلا وسهلا فيكم بحلقة جديدة من حلقاتنا الأسبوعية رواد الأعمال. ومثل ما عودناكم في كل حلقة أن نستضيف رجلا مميز، ومن زاوية رجال الأعمال رحبوا معي بالسبيشال بزنس مان المستر مهيش، الأونر للقصر جنرال تريدينج. بداية good afternoon Mr.
Good afternoon.
Mr. Mahesh, in the first I want to meet you and let the viewers also know about your professional life. When you came here to UAE, how did you started your own business? تفضل.
Well, I started my business nearly 16 years back. Before that, I was working with them in the supermarket line.
Okay.
So from there, I got the good knowledge what product to sell in the market and which is the more beneficial. And which has got the good future in the market. That's why I have chosen this line. And plus advantage of this line, because we know that a lot of working couple here, working people are there, they don't have time to wash our means in the kitchen and everything, utensils and everything. So it's a use and throw items. So it's easy for them to buy and it's very reasonable price. Like it's 5 dirham, you get the 25 plates. And
Really?
Yes, 5 dirham you get 25 plates. So it's easy for them. Like the bowls and everything is very cheap, very cheap. So they can, affordable is very easy. So the selling will be very fast.
Yeah.
And alhamdulillah, that's why the sale is very good and we are working very hard with our brand.
Alhamdulillah. We hope for you to grow more and more, Mr. Mahesh.
Thank you.
Now I just want to know and let the viewers also know about Al-Qasr General Trading, about the special services what you provide to UAE market. This is first. Second, we will know also about your brand. تفضل.
Well, our brand, we have taken this brand Sunny. It's my younger son, Mr. Vishal Bhatte. His pet name is Sunny. Why we have taken this name? Because this is, first of all, is very easy to announce and easy to remember. Whenever customer, and we are selling only the good quality product. Since so many years, we didn't have any complaint from any customer or anywhere from our product or anything. So we have got the more confidence of the selling because we don't have complaint and we are selling to all the items to major supermarkets, all the hypermarkets, A-class supermarket, only those people.
Very good. And what do you think, Mr. Mahesh? You are in the market since around 40 years, let us to talk, but your own business like 17 years.
Yeah.
So how you make yourself and your company special than others? How you make your product different than others? The quality or the price or what the reason?
Well, first of all, I will just tell you how I started my business. When I started my business, I was just only alone. I was just doing the small grocery sales. It was the very small sales and everything. Then I know that for this small sale will not survive. I will not survive with them. So then I introduced slowly more items in the market. And then from grocery, I jumped to the B-class supermarket. Then after a few years, my son has joined me. Then he helped me very much also. Plus, then we started visiting all the big supermarkets and everything. And then after having a reasonable good business, then I took this packing machines. Yes, packing machine. Then we were doing all packing and everything ourselves. Before the packing and everything, I was doing from somewhere else. So that when I bought the machines,
It's helped you.
It's helped me. Also, it was the more beneficial for me because we are making more profit.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So this is the good thing, really, Mr. Mahesh. So now, what's your plan in the future as a businessman? Where we will see you after 2 years from now?
Well, my plans is to go still further. Because when I started, I told you I was very small, only with one cell, one van.
And this is what we need.
With one van, I started my business. Now, alhamdulillah, I got the 30 people plus my son is also with me, and plus I got the 3 trucks to deliver the goods, and plus 2 vans to deliver the goods and everything in the market. We are doing a very good service in the market. Because of the service and price, we just catch up the market and with the quality product.
Inshallah, we hope for you to grow more and more and to be in
Thank
high
you.
level. You deserve to be success in your life, really.
Thank you,
Mr.
thank
Rafiq.
you.
So now I just want from your side to tell the viewers where we are now in Sharjah, and from our side the website with the location and the contacts number will be down of our screen. Just let them to know where we are now in Sharjah.
We are now in the industrial area number 12.
Number 12,
Number
yeah.
12, yes.
Yes, so Al Qasr General Trading.
Yeah, Al-Aqsa Trading. Now we have
Al-Aqsa.
changed the name now. Recently,
Al-Aqsa, yes.
we have changed the name recently. Al-Aqsa Trading.
Al Aqsar Trading. So,
Yeah.
my dear viewers, Al Aqsar Trading, the contact number down of our screen with the website and the emails.
Yeah.
So, now, Mr. Mahish, you know that we are living in UAE country, the first country in the world had the safety and security. This is all of us we know.
Yes. Yes.
That. And there is a happiness with the investment. So, this one it's not coming easy. So we have to thank the leadership and the rulers about what they given us. Opportunity, they give us a happiness, a good life. We will start from Al Aqsar Trading and from Mr. Mahish as a person. Tfadal.
Well, first from the this government side, we are very happy. We don't have any complaint from the government side or anything because the security is very good and the population is very good here. There is no complaint from any population or anything also. Everybody working there and everybody goes in their way and everything.
طبعا Mr. Mahish, I will thank you for accept us here in your special company. Inshallah, we hope we will see you in a high level and to continue with the success. Thank you for accept us here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
My dear viewers, waiting us with Mr. Vishal. مشاهدينا الكرام، نستكمل معكم لقاءنا مع الجنرال مانجر المستر فيشال لشركة الأقصر تريدينج. بداية good afternoon Mr.
Good afternoon to you.
Yes. Mr. Vishal, let us to know about your professional life when you handling this company, Al-Aqsar Trading.
I joined around 10 years back. My dad was single-handedly handling this. He just started disposables actually in the market, and I had finished my graduation from India, so he told me to join his business. That's when I joined him. And then slowly from there we started doing disposables, supplying to small supermarkets, and then gradually we started adding staff, getting machines, and then we grew a little to the hypermarkets also.
Very good. So step by step when you reach. Very good. So let us to know and the viewers as well about your brand, Sunny. What's this brand? And what's the other services, special services that you provide for all of the UAE market?
Yeah, my main line of work is supermarkets and hypermarkets, so that's where we concentrate more. So my brand Sunny is on my name. My dad had kept it on my name, so that's how it's very dear to me. So for me, it is like a child.
Of course, so it's have a good value for a big value.
I wanted to grow as much as possible. I wanted to see my brand in each and every supermarket all over UAE. That's a dream for me.
Yeah.
So we are working towards it, and Alhamdulillah, we've got good support from our customers now. And
Alhamdulillah. I will thank you for your time, Mr. And inshallah, we hope we will see you in a high level. You deserve to be success, really, Mr. Vishal. Thank you for your time as well.
Thank you.